So I'm going to read to you guys how I made the thing as the thumbnail. Not like, how I edited it. I mean, actually how I made it. I did film it. I cannot remember what happened to the film. I have it right here. And it's something just kind of really nice. And very easy. I made this for litha, or the summer solstice, because it catches the sun and it's really pretty and it smells so nice and can last up to a year, which is really nice. So step one, you have to pull off the stickers. I added that because I'm a blonde in all forms of the word, fairly forgetful and everything like that. 2, cut in the 1/2-inch slices, that way sun can be seen through. 3, place on a baking sheet. Preheat your oven at 250, and when it's preheated, you go ahead and put them in for 3 to 4 hours, checking, flipping often. Mine had to go longer just because it just wouldn't dehydrate, which is fine. Keep an eye on them, they will burn occasionally, as you can see from the thumbnail. When you're done, I used a pair of scissors to cut through, to make a little hole for a hemp yarn, and then we push that through, and what happens is that we tie at the end, and then you continue on all the way through. Tie off each piece as you get done with it. Keep the scraps and you can dehydrate them for spell work. I don't nothing broke. In case you didn't know, these are oranges. They smell really good. So if I can grab it, as you can see, it kind of burned itself pretty badly. My favorite thing though with this whole thing was that some of them came out kind of like a moon. But yeah, keep them. You never know when you're going to need them. So yeah, I love you guys. You have a good night.